I think the people should come to Drumheller because there's so many things to do, and you could fill up your days. You could spend 2 days at the museum alone. This is a museum that is world-renowned for dinosaurs and paleontology.
When you talk to people about Drumheller, they immediately want to talk about how they want to go for a hike, they want to experience nature. There's lots to see. It's a unique landscape, and it's fun to explore. Atlas Coal Mine
As a working railway, you can go up into the mine shaft. It really is an experience. It's just great to go through it. The Blériot Ferry, which is a turn-of-the-century cable ferry, it's just a real pleasant, calming experience. It's really great. Rosebud Theatre is an amazing theatre for a small town. I've been to Broadway. Their productions are easily as good as what I've seen on Broadway. The Last Chance Saloon is a very interesting place. It's filled with antiques. Every summer it's packed with people. There's a helicopter tour you can take. It takes you around Horseshoe Canyon in the valley. Just amazing to see the valley from the air. At the Passion Play, it really makes you feel like you're in the Middle East watching the real story of Jesus. Truly an amazing experience.
Drumheller, of course, we are all about inviting tourists to come and visit here as well. I mean, we have a very strong service sector, health and education, as well as oil field services and agriculture. So those are kind of the backbone of our economy, and we just continue to try and build off of those.
The tourism industry here is 27% of the economy, leaves about $150 million in the valley every summer. So there's so much opportunity here.